I think this is the first time somebody is shooting like this. Shooting like a haul video and having Maggie at the same time. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikita. So in today's video I'm going to show you the items which I bought recently. Now this time I bought more of skincare items. Usually what happens is whenever I do shopping I buy more of makeup items and lesser number of skincare, but this time I did more of skincare shopping. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you all of the products I bought, and also I bought this from Myntra and Purple. It's kind of a Myntra plus Purple haul. So yeah, and also lately I've started to realize that it makes no sense buying lots of makeup. That's the reason I did not buy lots of makeup, but I did buy a few makeup items which I'm going to show you in my next video. Just kind of a makeup video. This is just a skincare plus body care kind of a video. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So let us start with the basic product, and that is a moisturizer. This is the moisturizer I have. This is from Pond's. This is a Pond's Super Light Gel. This is kind of a gel water variant. If you know, I've already opened it and I'm using it at the moment. This product actually retails for $149, but then obviously I got it on a discounted rate, which I don't know for how much I got, but yeah, I'll mention it on the screen. And I think I will not mention it because it makes no sense adding the price in which I got. They also have like a creamy wala variant which I used last year in winters. So this, since it's summers, I got this. Oh, they have mentioned here all skin types. I think no, they have not mentioned, but it's for all skin types, and especially if you have oily to combination skin, then you can try this gel wala moisturizer. It's good, really good. Hello. So electricity chala gaya tha and I could not continue my video today. This electricity, it disturbed me like crazy. It's going crazy. I don't know what's wrong with it. So I couldn't continue my video, and I don't want to continue now because I'm having my Maggie, and I'll continue this video tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. I'll wear the same dress, and also I'll put on the same exactly same makeup as see. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Let me have my Maggie. Hello, so it is the next day, and now let's quickly continue with the video because I don't want to make this video super long and I don't want to make this video boring, not at all. So now let's continue with the video. The next product I have is this Lakme Ka Sun Expert SPF 30 PA+++. And also, if you're thinking that this is your regular kind of cream which you get in the market, then you're wrong, because I think this is a new launch. This is kind of a gel kind of variant, same as this. ये gel wala hai, and the price of this is $325. Pehle I used to use the other kind, the lotion kind of cream, but this one I got it for the very first time and I've already used it. It's really good. They've mentioned they're all skin types, but then again, if you have combination to oily skin, then you can use this cream because it will not make your skin super oily. Also, it has sunscreen, which is great. So if you have combination to oily skin, then do buy this sort of a sunscreen, the gel one. Alright, so this is the face wash I got. This is the face wash from Mamaearth. This is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. I'm using it at the moment. I've already opened it, and I've been using it for quite some time now, for around a week or so. So I'm using it at the moment, and this is the outer packaging of this particular face wash. This face wash is really good, guys. This, I mean, I've already used it. I know exactly how it is. The quantity of this is 150 ml. The price of this is $3.99, and look at this, it comes with a brush, which is great. Actually, this is the first time I'm using something like this, a face wash with a silicone brush in it, which is good, really good. I love this sort of a thing. So if I have to buy this face wash again, then I will definitely buy it because I really love this. It cleanses your skin really well, and it doesn't make your skin dry whatsoever. There are face washes in the market which makes your skin really dry, so it's not that kind of a face wash. I really love this. So this is the brush. It's really soft, and yeah, let's move on to the next item. So this is the next item. This is the VLCC Ka body lotion. My mother actually got it for me. Actually, she, it was like buy one get one free on Myntra. So my mother actually got one for herself and one for me. So this is the next item. Alright, let's move on to shampoos, and here I have two big bottles. What happened, actually, my mother told me to buy shampoo bottles. So I bought this Tresemme Ka 1 liter wala shampoo. Look at this, it is such a big bottle. So this retails for 839 rupees, but I think I got it for around, I don't know, I think 500-600 something. So yeah, I got this, but what happened, my mother actually forgot that she had ordered this shampoo, but she was like, Nikita, order shampoo. Alright, so I know she had forgotten herself. So this is the shampoo she ordered. This is the Pantene Advanced Hair Solution. This is the shampoo and this is for 550. Now we have two big bottles of shampoos. Yay! So the next product is what I've already shown in my last video, in my Bath and Body Works ka haul video. So if you haven't seen my Bath and Body Works ka haul video, then definitely watch that video as well after completing this video, obviously. So yeah, this is the Nivea ka shower gel, and honestly I don't really like this one. I like that Fiamma ka shower gel more than this. Now that I've used, I can actually tell. So I like the Nivea, like Fiamma ka shower gel more than this. So yeah, this was the item, and not a big fan of this. After that, let's move on to Plum, because I have bunch of items from Plum and I got so many freebies. Not so many, but I got few freebies, and who doesn't love freebies? So yeah, I'm going to show you the freebies I got. So let's move on to just Plum ka products. So the first product I picked up is this Plum ka Illuminance. This is the cleansing balm. I wanted to get this from a very long time. I finally have it. This is the cleansing balm. That means, if you don't know, cleansing balm is to remove your makeup. It is same as a makeup remover, but in a balm sort of a form. So here you have, it looks like coconut oil. Look at this. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to show it first. I wanted to make a haul video, and then after that I wanted to use it. I am so excited. I really want to use this, and it comes with this sort of a thing to scoop karne ke liye. So yeah, this is a great thing. This retails for 545 rupees, but again offer mein mil gaya. I don't know for how much. I don't know if I'm looking funny, but I'm speaking way fast because I don't want to make this video long. That's why. Alright, so this is the Plum Body Lovin' Foot Cream, and honestly I expected it to be this tube to be bada than this. This is way small, man. I did not expect it to be this small. Quantity of this is 75 gram. The price of this, I think it's a little expensive, to be very honest. This retails for 345 rupees. Oh my god, for foot cream. The price is, I think, way too much, but again I got it on offer. I don't know for how much I got, but I think there was a heavy discount on Plum that time when I ordered it, and it smells exactly like coffee. I love it. It's too good. Let me just apply it. Let's move on to next. So the next product I have is this Plum ka lip balm, and now I wanted to get this lip balm from such a long time. Again, there's so many products in my wish list all the time. I wanted to get this, and I finally have it. This is the Plum ka lip balm. This is in the flavor Red Velvet Love. And there are so many variants in this particular lip balm. I think not so many. I think there are just 3 or 4 variants in this particular lip balm, but then again I have heard and I've seen videos, haul videos and just review videos. I've seen that people they love this one a lot more than the other variants which are available. I think this is the best one. So if you are planning to get one lip balm from Plum, then do buy this variant, Red Velvet Love. The price of this is 295 rupees, and I don't know why lip balms comes so expensive. They're always 200, 300. I don't know, the lip balms comes so expensive. This is how it looks like. Also, this is not like that the transparent wala lip balm. This is it has a tint, red tint to it. So if you just apply it bare lips pe bhi, you will see that red tint, thoda sa just tint hai thoda sa is lip balm hai, which is great. It smells like that bakery shop. It smells exactly like cake ka shop and bakery shop, and I really want to it looks so yummy, and also it smells so yummy. I just really want to have it. So with my Plum purchase, I got these 3 freebies. The first one is the Plum Green Tea Daylight Sunscreen. I already have the mini one. I already have the other one which I got while buying kuch to tha cream face wash or something. I got this pehle se bhi I have it. So yeah, sorry. So yeah, I have this. I haven't opened it yet. So this is sunscreen, and it comes in big sizes as well, bigger sizes. Really good for traveling purpose. The next one I have is this green tea. This is the green tea alcohol free toner. Look at this. The bottle is so cute. Oh my god. I do have the big bottle as well, the toner ka big bottle, which my friend actually gave it to me. Diksha, she gave me this Plum ka toner. They will not mention the price of this, obviously. This is a free product. They do not have the price of this. It's so cute. Again, I haven't opened it. I do have the big bottle. So this is the Plum Body Lovin' Shower Gel. This is in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. So also this one I haven't used it. So this is the cute bottle of shower gel. the 3 freebies. So cute. I love it when they give freebies. Okay, so the next item is this Nykaa ka spot patch, and I added this product in this video because this is like a skincare product and I wanted to add this in this video. Now let me open it up and show you what it is. This is how it looks from inside. It looks like sticker. Actually what you have to do is you have to stick them on your pimple. If you have any pimple, you have to stick on them, and it claims that it will reduce the effect of your pimple, and I don't know, I haven't used it, so I can't tell exactly as to how it is and if it works like that or not. It is like a spot treatment for your pimples. You have to leave it overnight, but I don't know if it works because I haven't used it. So yeah, this is the item. So the last second product I have is this, the Face Shop का Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil. Now I got this फॉर फ्री, जो मेरा पर्पल का मेंबरशिप था ना. सो इफ़ यू डोंट नो, पर्पल पे एक मेंबरशिप करके है, एलाइट मेंबरशिप. सो मेरा वो मेंबरशिप ख़त्म हो गया था एंड आई हैड टू रिन्यू इट. एंड दिस टाइम जब मैंने ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदा, दैट टाइम आई रिन्यू कराया था मेंबरशिप विच कॉस्ट यू ₹199. सो मेंबरशिप कराया था फॉर फ्री शिपिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स, यू कैन गो एंड चेक द पर्पल पे. एंड जब मैंने रिन्यू कराया, आई गॉट दिस freebie. This is the not Pond's, this is the Face Shop का. This is the Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil. This is again cleansing oil. जब मैंने cleansing balm दिखाया था ना, it's same as that. Here now it comes like micellar water, like different names. आप confused मत होना. There is like makeup removers, cleansing, like cleansing oil, cleansing balm, like micellar water, so many things. This is cleansing oil again to remove your makeup. Also, I've heard that this cleansing oil is really good and I really want to try this. So thank you Purple for giving me this as a gift. I really love it. I'm really excited to try this, and I am really excited for that plum ka cleansing oil as well, cleansing balm as well. I hope that it will not disappoint me. And the last item I have is this Hip Hop ka cleansing charcoal nose strips. This is for your blackheads or whiteheads. This is for blackheads, whiteheads and oil and dirt. So basically आपको ऐसे नाक पे लगाना है ऊपर, and you have to, I don't know myself, I haven't used it, and you have to peel it off after putting it for around 10 minutes or so, and it will remove your blackheads and whiteheads from this part of your nose. So which is great. I haven't used it and I'm really excited to try this. अभी तो मेरा इतना blackheads नहीं है. I used to have like a lot of I feel embarrassed, but anyways, I used to have like, my skin was not doing well before. Now it's doing good. I'm really happy. I don't do that much of skincare. I keep my skincare like I just stick to basics. I think that really helps. I don't use like a lot of products on my face, and yeah, I think that really helps. So इस पे ना 3 strips है. I haven't used it yet. I'm really excited to use this. And yeah, with this I've come to an end of the video. This is it for today's video. I hope you liked my haul video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, with this I will see you in my next video. Till then,